Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to select multiple files on a Mac. First of all, open the folder that contains the files you want to select. As you can see, I have several files listed on my screen. Now let's look at a few methods. First, if you want to select individual files, simply click on one file. Then, while holding down the Command key from your keyboard, click on the other files that you want to select. This way you can select as many files as you like one by one. Once the files are selected, you can move, copy, or delete them together according to your need. Now let's see the second method. If you want to select a group of files in a row, click on the first file. After that, press and hold the Shift key from your keyboard, and then go to the last file in the row and click on it. And there you go. All the files between the first and last file will automatically be selected. There is also a third method to do this. If you want to select everything inside the folder, simply press Command+A from your keyboard, and all the files inside that folder will instantly be selected. And that's it. These are some quick and easy ways to select multiple files on a Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.